Hello, Clearbrow, North Dallas. Finishing up a 1987. Get used to saying 2000 all the time. 1987 5 Series BMW and original paint. Sure, it has some injuries to it, not a big deal, and some blemishes and maybe a rust spot or two on a corner, but the client wants to keep this car as nice as they can. So we did a wrap on it. Overall, the paint is in really good shape. The car's in good shape overall for a car that's this old. And let's go over. We didn't take anything apart on it, but still being able to get inside all these areas and tuck underneath. What we don't want to do is start taking things apart. As we know, for example, behind these grills, they're so dry rotted, and underneath there's this big cone, so to speak, that's dry rotted like crazy. All that's going to break apart, and we can just keep adding bills up over time. It's not a restoration. The car's staying the way it is, and the owner wants to take care of it and keep it clean. Like you'll see on this door, this was some touch-up done by whoever had it over the years, and we just went ahead and wrapped it up real nice. All our edges, everything getting wrapped in, all getting wrapped in all the way around these tails. But everything wrapped on the car, it's all done by hand. You know, you'll see some nicks here and this here. But overall, the condition of the car is really great. And the owner put his own E28 on there. And then coming around this side, all the way down below we went. Looking great. Here's another, what it looks like somebody tried to polish something there or sand on something, I don't know, but you know, who knows what year that was done. But that's the only two really big blemishes besides the little nicks here and there. Car looks great. There it is. Probably in another 10-15 years, the next step is going to be a restoration, because this guy will be well cared for. And the roof was all done in one piece, and I'll show you what I did on this roof panel. The pan, okay, so there's a weld mark here. On the inside of the weld, this is a seam. So this piece here from the rear quarter runs all the way down to the wheel around, and it stops here. So that's how I did that piece. The roof is all in one, folding into where the moonroof opens, okay, or the sunroof. And then I continued. I didn't seam anything here. That's all one piece, all the way down to that seam. So there's no break in any of the panels where there's seams. Everything seamed on its natural assembly, so to speak. So again, over here, it's seamed, and then it went all the way up with the continuous piece across the roof. So it keeps that seaming away from the car, and there's nothing. Everything's a full piece on this car. So there it is, 1987 5 Series, great shape, good looking car. And there it is, starts up great, runs great, no smoke. And there it is. You ever want to wrap something older and keep it nice, just let us know. ClearBrawNorthDallas.com. Thank you very much.